In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up unpaid leave in Gusto. If you need to create an unpaid leave option for your team, Gusto makes the process fairly straightforward. The key is knowing where to find the policy settings and how to configure them so the policy matches your company's needs. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the setup from start to finish in a clear and practical way. To begin, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're signed in with admin level access, since policy settings are typically only available to users with the right permissions. Once you're inside your account, look over to the left sidebar and click Time and Attendance. This is where Gusto keeps the tools for managing time tracking and time off policies. After you open that section, click Add a Policy. This starts the process of creating a new rule for employee time off. From the available options, choose Add Time Off Policy. Since you're building an unpaid leave policy specifically, this is the correct place to continue. Next, enter a name for your unpaid leave policy. Choose a name that is clear and easy for employees and managers to recognize later. For example, you may want the title to reflect exactly how the leave will be used within your organization, so there's no confusion when people request time off. Once the name is in place, go to the compensation type setting and select Unpaid. This step is especially important because it tells Gusto that time taken under this policy should not be paid out like vacation or other paid leave types. After that, choose the appropriate accrual type if one applies to your policy, or simply leave the default settings if accrual doesn't matter for how you want unpaid leave handled. Depending on your company policy, you may want to keep this simple, especially if employees are just allowed to request unpaid time when needed, rather than earning it over time. When you're ready, click Next. On the following screen, configure any optional settings you want to use, such as waiting periods or allowing negative balances if those fit your company's policy. If not, you can leave those settings as they are. Finally, review all of the policy details carefully. Make sure everything looks correct, then assign the policy to the appropriate employees. Once you've confirmed the setup, click Create Policy to save it. That's it. Your unpaid leave policy is now set up in Gusto and ready to use. Thanks for watching.